Meaning of foreign.
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 Foreign. The word foreign is an adjective that describes something as being of or from a different country or culture. It can also refer to something that is not familiar or strange. This term is often used to distinguish between people, products, or concepts that are from one's own country or culture versus those that are from elsewhere. Whether it's food, language, or customs, foreign elements can provide valuable insights and opportunities for learning and growth. However, they can also be sources of confusion or discomfort when encountered for the first time.